Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
How to learn English quickly. Do you want to speak English fluently but feel stuck? Don't worry. Today I'll share the most powerful tips and tricks to learn English quickly. And the best part is, you don't need expensive classes. Just your phone, internet, and a little bit of daily practice. Tip 1. Use your phone wisely. Most of us spend hours on our phones scrolling social media. But what if your phone becomes your English teacher? Change your phone's language to English. Follow English learning pages on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Every time you scroll, you'll pick up new words without even noticing. Example: if you see a new word, take a screenshot and later make your own sentence with it. Tip 2. Listen and repeat. Children learn by listening first. You can too. Listen to podcasts, English songs, or YouTube videos. But don't just listen. Pause and repeat. Copy the tone, the accent, the style. This trick trains your tongue and builds confidence. Tip 3. Apps and websites. Use free apps like Duolingo, Hello English, or BBC Learning English. Spend just 10 minutes daily. For reading practice, try News in Levels or British Council's website. These bite-sized lessons will make your learning faster. Tip 4. Speak every day. Here's a secret. Reading and listening help, but speaking changes everything. Talk to yourself in English while walking or cooking. Use voice notes, record yourself, and listen back. If you have a friend who is also learning, practice together. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Just speak. Confidence comes from mistakes. Tip 5. Create an English environment. Surround yourself with English. Watch movies with subtitles. Write your to-do list in English. Even think in English. The more your brain sees English, the faster it accepts it as normal. Conclusion. So remember, use your phone smartly, listen and repeat, learn with apps, speak daily, and surround yourself with English. Do this every day for 3 months and you'll see a big change. English is not difficult. It's a habit. Start today and let your phone become your teacher.
How to learn English by using social media. So, watch this video till the end. Today I'll teach you how to learn English in 1 month by using social media. Rahul was a college student. He always wanted to speak English fluently, but he thought it was very difficult. One day he looked at his phone and said, "If I can spend hours on social media, why not use it to learn English?" So Rahul started step by step. 1. YouTube lessons. Instead of only watching entertainment videos, Rahul searched daily English conversation on YouTube. He listened and repeated the sentences daily. Slowly his pronunciation improved. 2. Apps on his phone. He downloaded free apps like Duolingo, Hello English, and BBC Learning English. Whenever he traveled by bus, he practiced small lessons. 5 to 10 minutes a day made a big difference. 3. Social media in English. Rahul changed his phone language to English. He also followed English pages on Instagram and Facebook. Every post, every caption became a mini lesson for him. 4. Speaking practice. At night, Rahul used voice notes on WhatsApp. He recorded himself speaking in English and compared it with native speakers. Slowly his confidence grew. 5. Websites for reading. He read short articles from websites like News and Levels and British Council. These simple stories improved his vocabulary. After 3 months, Rahul could speak confidently with his friends. His secret was simple. He used his phone not just for fun, but as his English teacher. Moral of the story. If you have a smartphone, you already have a teacher in your pocket. Use apps, social media, and websites wisely. Your English will improve every single day.